How to cancel YouTube Premium membership on your Android device. Simply log into your YouTube app, press on your profile icon, then press on the gear icon. Here you have purchases and memberships. Let's press on that link. And this is your YouTube Premium membership. Let's press on it. To cancel it, all you need to do is press on Deactivate. Do keep in mind you can actually pause it up to 6 months or 3 months and so on instead of canceling. So let's come out of that. Let's press on Deactivate, continue to cancel, and let's press Next. Select the option or don't want to answer, then press Cancel Premium Membership.